Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Auth0 React SDK for secure login. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a React application created using Create React App. Open your terminal and navigate to your React application directory. To install the Auth0 React SDK, run the command npm install at auth0/auth0 react. Wait for the installation to complete. After the installation, open your project in your code editor. Locate the src folder and create a new file named auth.config.json. In auth.config.json, add your auth0 domain and client ID as follows: JSON, domain, your_auth0 domain, client ID, your_auth0 client ID, replace your_auth0 domain and your_auth. Now, open your index.js file located in the src folder. Import auth0 provider from auth0/auth0 react. Wrap your application in the auth0 provider component. Pass the necessary props, domain, client ID, and redirect URI. Set the redirect URI to window.location.origin for proper redirection after login. Next, create a new file named loginbutton.js in the src folder. In loginbutton.js, import useauth0 from auth0/auth0 react. Create a functional component named loginbutton. Use the login with redirect method from useauth0 within the component. Return a button that triggers login with redirect on click. Now, create another file named logoutbutton.js in the src folder. In logoutbutton.js, import useauth0 again. Create a functional component named logoutButton. Use the logout method from useauth0 within this component. Return a button that calls logout when clicked. Next, open your main component file, usually app.js. Import loginButton and logoutButton components. Use the isAuthenticated property from useauth0 to conditionally render the buttons. Display loginButton if the user is not authenticated. Display logoutButton if the user is authenticated. Finally, run your application by executing npm start in the terminal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.